Hello, it's Crafteria. I'm so glad you're joining me today for this video. Today I will be opening my monthly Patreon package from Mellissa. She is one of my YouTube friends, and her channel is called Mellissa, M-E-L-L-I-S-S-A, and she has an eBay store, and her channel is about selling on eBay, and it's also about how she packages her orders up really pretty. She has a Patreon page, and I'm one of her subscribers, and this is the Tier 4, I believe, package. Once a month we get a package of wonderful shipping supplies that she uses. Beautiful Jilson Roberts tissue papers and bubble mailers and poly mailers, all kinds of great stuff. If you've ever received Happy Mail from me, you would know that I usually try to pack it up really pretty. And also, I have a small eBay store, so whenever I sell something there, I like to package it up pretty as well. So this is the October package. Normally her packages are tropical looking, but this one looks like Halloween, which is pretty awesome. The cute little jack-o'-lanterns and the black poly mailer. So let's go ahead and see what's inside today. I'm so excited for this package. I opened the side, but I haven't looked inside yet. Start with this. This looks like the tissue papers. And the tissue papers she uses are from Jilson Roberts. And they are very large pieces of tissue paper. And they are usually very beautiful. So let's see what we have in this package. We have this beautiful black tissue paper. What a pretty pattern that is. And this is only like half the size of it. This is 20 inches wide by about 30. So I guess they're 20 by 30 is what the sheets are. And they're just a beautiful tissue paper. They're so big, a lot of the times I end up cutting them in half if I'm just using something small. So we have that one, and we have these adorable woodland animals. So pretty. That is that tissue paper. We have the cute bear and the squirrel and the fox and the deer. I love it. So pretty. And then we have this gold wood grain paper. I have some of this. I've received it in another one of her packages. It is so pretty. And it would be great for the fall. Very pretty. And that is a metallic gold on there. So pretty. Cool tissue papers this month. Love it. I love those woodland animals. And then the next thing we have is this baggie full of these. It looks like bubble wrap little envelopes. Yep. They are like a little mini envelope with the self-adhesive strip on it, which is perfect because I can put something in here and just put it in a poly mailer, and I don't need an actual bubble mailer for some things. Love that. I do have a big roll of bubble wrap from Sam's Club, but this is nice when you just have something small and you want to put it in a bubble mailer, or I mean a poly mailer. And then we have this baggie. This looks like the poly mailers. And in here are these really cute business cards. It says, "Let our hearts be full of both thanks and giving. Thanks for your order." And they have some embossing on them. And they're blank on the back. I made stickers for my eBay store where it says thank you for your eBay order, and it has my name and the store name on it. And then I usually just stick them on the back of the cards. So this would be great for the month of November especially. And this is awesome. These skulls and bats and ghosts. I love these Halloween mailers, and the witches' hats. Very cool. I'll definitely be using those this month. And we have some of these black and white stripes, which are really awesome. That would go great with that black and white tissue paper. Very, very cool. And oh, I love this package so much. This is so cool. And then more of these Halloween ones. We have these black and white arrows. There is someone from the group Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship that always sends me stuff in this same bubble mailer, so I always know it's from her, so that's awesome. And oh, I love these pumpkins. They're like a sugar skull. It reminds me of a sugar skull pumpkin. That is gorgeous. That's my favorite one, I think. Love that. And of course, because there's a lot of purple, so I really love the purple. I love it. And then more of these black and white ones, which are awesome. I love the pumpkins. So pretty. So pretty. And then more of the black and white. Very cool. That'll be definitely very good for Halloween and also into November. And I love these. These are a couple little bubble mailers with sunflowers and bees. So cool. Love it. And then here's the ribbons that we have. This is just a white ribbon. Very pretty. You can use that on the black and white packages. We have that ribbon. Very cool. This is Craft Smart ribbon. And keys. Those would go good with the black and white ones. And this big wide ribbon, it's wired sheer ribbon. I think it's black. Yeah, it's black ribbon. Very cool. That would go perfect with so many. And this is an Offray ribbon. It's a big roll of it. And this gold, a velvet ribbon. Very pretty. That would go good with some of the fall items. Cool beans. I love these, Mellissa. You are so good at making these packages. And then we have this other baggie. And we have more of these clear bags, which always come in handy. I'm excited to see some stuff in here. This says, Happy Fall, y'all. I will save that sticker and reuse it. And of course, I will reuse this bubble wrap. And in here we have some fall leaves, which those are great for package toppers, and they're also great for crafting. And we have one of her signature cards that says, You are enough, you are so enough. It is unbelievable how enough you are. And these adorable jack-o'-lantern stickers and a face mask. This one is vitamin. It looks like it's got vitamin C in it. And this is really cute. It's a, she wrote thanks on it, and it's got a little clothespin holding it. That's a great idea. That can go right on a package. And we have some of these cute little bags for Halloween. This is awesome for sending crafty things. I needed some. I have some paper bags, but no plastic ones, so that is good. And we have the haunted house, and a couple of these say give thanks. Let's see if I have something white to put them against. So you can see, there we go. Give thanks, very pretty. Those will definitely come in handy. And in here we have, it looks like a couple little packages of super glue, which will definitely come in handy. And in here we have some goodies. I'm so excited. This smells so good. I have a hand sanitizer and a bar of soap. This is Think Pink Mini Soap. It smells fantastic. I can't wait to use it. I'm excited about that. I love fragrant soaps and stuff. And then these adorable little clothespins that you could clip something on. Look at how little that is. That's so cute, but it's not the really, really tiny little one. And then we have the regular ones. They're good for crafting or for clipping something on to packages. We have some more of these ribbons, which will definitely come in handy. And another face mask. Coenzyme Q10. I guess that's what it says at the top. This is a vitamin one, and that's the Coenzyme Q10. Very cool. They're great for package toppers or just to treat yourself. And in here looks like ribbon scraps. I'll do that one last because that looks fun. Oh, good. I think this is sticker paper for printing address labels. I think that's what it is. I use them in my printer for address labels. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. And this, oh my goodness, my dreams came true. It is one of those huge IKEA bags. It's too big to show on camera, but if any of you have ever seen them, they're humongous reusable bags from IKEA. We don't have an IKEA store near me, and I see people, the garage sailors and different things on YouTube, use these bags all the time, and I have been wanting one for the longest time. I'm so excited. I finally have an IKEA bag. All right, and then this is, I'm guessing this is ribbon scraps. Mellissa always saves me her ribbon scraps. And we have this gorgeous leaf. I see her use that all the time, and that is so pretty. That would be great to use on a card, just a small piece of it with a flower at the top. So awesome. I'm so glad there's some in here. Look at this. Oh, this made my day, besides the IKEA bag. This will definitely be used for flowers. Love it. And another one that says thanks. I love it. That's a great idea. And more of this leaf. That's a great idea. I love those leaves. And then some yellow ribbons. This ribbon has some beautiful gold in it. Love it. And then small pieces of the tissue paper, which could be used on cards. This is the Happy Birthday Cat and these cute bubbles that we got last time. And this is some pretty blue sheer ribbon. This one is neat. I don't know if they're oranges or peaches, but that is so pretty. Mellissa, this stuff will all come in handy for sure. I especially love the green leaf ribbon. That will definitely be good, like a vine on cards. You know, just cut a piece about that long and put a pretty flower on the top. I love it. Awesome. This is so much fun and so awesome. Thank you, Mellissa. I really appreciate this month's goodie bag. If you haven't ever checked out her channel, head on over there. She is so sweet. If you ever thought about selling on eBay, she gives you a lot of pointers, and also she wraps her stuff so beautifully. I love it. She gives me inspiration. I used to like to wrap my stuff, and I would always wrap it in like plain tissue paper, but this is a whole new dimension for me. I love it. If you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, please head on over there and check it out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on that subscribe button right down in the corner and then hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. You'll probably see me use some of these goodies in future videos, of course. And if you haven't yet checked out my Patreon page, I will put the link below. I have a few tiers as well. One is just a basic one where you get early access to my videos ad-free, all the way up to a Happy Mail package every month and a few things in between. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.